What if I told you that you could build serious equity and create new income streams without sacrificing your 9-to-5 job? In 2026, side hustles aren't just about trading hours for dollars anymore. Thanks to the rise of AI efficiency and the fractional economy, you can now start a side business that fits into the cracks of your busy schedule and grows exponentially over time. These aren't just side gigs, they're long-term investments in your future. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 8 side hustles that you can start while working full-time. Stick around to learn how you can turn your spare hours into real, scalable income. 1. AI Workflow Architect for small businesses. In today's fast-paced world, many small business owners are overwhelmed by the possibilities of AI. They know it can help streamline their operations, but don't have the time or expertise to set it up. This is where you can step in as an AI workflow architect. Tools like Zapier and Make.com allow you to automate various business functions, from appointment bookings and email marketing to customer FAQs. By implementing these systems, you save business owners time and money, while helping them stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. The win in this side hustle is that you can charge a premium for setting up these automated systems and offer a small monthly retainer for ongoing maintenance. The best part is that once the automation systems are in place, they run themselves with minimal intervention. This makes it an ideal side hustle for someone who enjoys problem solving and working with technology. You don't need to work full-time hours. And once the system is running smoothly, you can scale your clients and grow your income passively. 2. Fractional Chief of Staff, Virtual Chief of Staff. High-level executives are increasingly hiring fractional help to manage their digital lives and offload non-essential tasks. A fractional chief of staff is someone who works part-time, usually 5-10 hours a week, to help executives stay organized, manage their schedules, and filter through AI-generated noise. You might find yourself ghostwriting LinkedIn posts, helping with email organization, or even managing small teams. The win here is that you're providing high-level strategy and support, not just data entry. Because of the nature of this role, fractional chiefs of staff can charge high hourly rates, $50 to $150 per hour, making it an excellent side hustle for those with organizational skills or experience in executive support. What's more, you can work with multiple clients and manage your schedule flexibly, allowing you to maintain your full-time job while still earning a substantial income. With the right clients, this side hustle can grow into a thriving business in its own right. 3. Niche faceless YouTube/TikTok channels. Content creation isn't just for influencers anymore. It's a legitimate business. You don't even need to show your face to create a successful YouTube or TikTok channel. With AI video tools like InVideo AI or HeyGen, you can produce high-quality educational or entertainment content without ever being on camera. This is a game changer for people who want to monetize their ideas without exposing themselves to the public eye. Once you've set up your engine, you can produce a week's worth of content in just one afternoon. By automating video production and focusing on evergreen topics, you can generate consistent ad revenue and income through affiliate marketing. The key to success in this side hustle is to pick a niche you're passionate about and create engaging, high-value content. Once you build a content library, you'll start seeing passive income rolling in, all while maintaining your day job. 4. Personalized prompt engineering for professionals. In the age of AI, one of the most in-demand skills is prompt engineering, the art of crafting precise prompts that help AI tools generate the best responses. While many people are familiar with basic AI tools like ChatGPT, professionals across industries need specialized prompts that are tailored to their field. For example, you could create a prompt pack specifically designed for real estate agents or SaaS sales teams, helping them optimize their AI-generated content. The win here is that prompt engineering allows you to create a digital product once and sell it over and over again. This is a perfect create once, sell forever side hustle that generates passive income while solving real pain points for busy professionals. Platforms like Gumroad make it easy to sell your prompt packs to a wide audience. With the demand for AI assistance growing, this side hustle has potential to scale significantly with minimal ongoing effort. 5. User research and AI testing panels. As AI models become more sophisticated, companies are eager for human feedback to fine-tune their technology. Enter AI testing panels. Platforms like User Testing or Userlytics allow you to participate in user research and provide feedback on new technology, websites, or products. Most of these tests take only 15 to 20 minutes and pay between $10 and $20 per session, making it an ideal side hustle during lunch breaks or commutes. The win here is that you can easily fit this side hustle into your daily routine without it interfering with your full-time job. The feedback you provide helps shape the future of AI and consumer tech, while you earn extra income. This is a great side hustle for those who enjoy sharing their opinions and insights, especially if you have an interest in technology or consumer behavior. 6. Renting prosumer gear on specialized apps. If you own high-end gear like cameras, drones, or specialized tools, such as 3D printers, you can turn your equipment into a money-making asset by renting out through platforms like Fat Llama or ShareGrid. Many creators and professionals need access to expensive equipment for short-term use, and renting out your gear provides a steady income stream without you having to do much. You're essentially monetizing your hobbies or investments while sitting at your desk during your full-time job. The win here is that your equipment starts paying for itself while you're not using it. This side hustle doesn't require a lot of time or effort once you list your gear on platform, and it allows you to earn money passively. It's an excellent side hustle for anyone who is invested in high-end equipment for personal use and wants to maximize its potential. Whether you're renting out a camera for a weekend or a drone for a photo shoot, this side hustle can provide a reliable income stream with little to no maintenance. 7. Micro it as app flipping. In the world of digital assets, app flipping has become a hot side hustle. The idea is simple. Buy small, underperforming apps or browser extensions on platforms like Acquired.com, improve them with AI tools, and then sell them for a profit or keep the subscription revenue. You don't need to be a developer to get started. AI tools can help you enhance the user interface, improve the code, and boost the app's performance. The win here is that you're building a portfolio of digital assets that generate income, rather than just providing a service. App flipping allows you to leverage your technical skills, creativity, and AI to improve an existing product and add value. Once you have a few apps under your belt, you can earn recurring subscription revenue or flip them for a profit. This side hustle requires minimal ongoing effort, making it an ideal way to build wealth with your full-time job still intact. 8. Specialized micro-consulting via Intro. If you have a specific corporate skill, whether it's in supply chain management, HR tech, SaaS sales, or any other niche industry, you can turn your expertise into a lucrative side hustle by offering micro-consulting sessions. Platforms like Intro.co allow you to book 15-minute intro calls with professionals who need quick advice or insight on a particular topic. You can charge upwards of $50 per session for just a few minutes of your time. The win here is that you're providing high-value advice in a compact time frame. You don't need to commit hours or days to a single client. Just a few calls a week can bring in a solid income. Micro-consulting allows you to monetize your professional knowledge and experience without it taking up too much of your free time. Whether it's helping businesses streamline processes or offering career advice, this side hustle offers flexibility and high returns, all while keeping your day job intact. There you have it. The top 8 side hustles you can start with a full-time job. By leveraging AI efficiency, fractional work, and digital tools, you can build significant income streams without quitting your day job. Whether you're automating workflows, offering niche consulting, or flipping digital assets, there are countless opportunities to earn more and grow your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to maximize your income. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try, and I'll see you in the next video.